Hi everyone, have you ever seen a road accident and didn't know how to describe it in English? Today we are going to learn real life English through a real road situation, a side collision between a bike and a car. Let's describe the situation. Both vehicles entered the left turn lane at the same time. The car was slightly ahead of the motorcycle. As the driver tried to take a turn, the car suddenly moved closer to the bike. The car sideswiped the motorcycle. Because of the impact, the biker lost balance and fell on the road. Fortunately, it appeared to be a minor accident. The rider suffered minor injuries but was conscious. Some people nearby rushed to help. Traffic slowed down immediately. In my opinion, the accident happened because the driver didn't check the blind spot before turning. It is important to use indicators while changing lanes. Both drivers should always be alert and cautious. Keep learning, keep speaking. See you in the next real life English lesson.